Are you skipping out on the violin because you think you're too old to start? Well, that belief might be holding you back more than you realize because most adults don't know the 5 massive benefits that come when you learn violin at an older age. And when you tap into these, your focus enhances, your stress drops, and you start operating at a whole new level. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking out the top 5 reasons why learning violin as an adult is going to be one of the best decisions that you make. Number 5. The violin builds discipline. You don't learn an instrument overnight. It requires consistency and patience. So when you come to the practice room day in, day out, you build that mental fortitude. Building discipline isn't limited to one area of life. When you build that discipline in the violin, that transfers to other parts of your life, such as your fitness, your finances, your family life. So the violin is one of the best tools to building discipline without needing motivation. Number 4. The violin brings stress relief. Let's face it, we live in a pretty hectic world. We've got deadlines, we've got assignments due, and it's pretty difficult just to relax. But that's what the violin does. It allows you to express yourself emotionally. It's meditative, it's healing, and it's way better than doom scrolling or zoning out in Netflix. Number 3. The violin opens up opportunities. Through the violin, you can meet a lot of new people that you probably wouldn't have before. Just this weekend, I was invited to an event to play violin, and there I was able to be a Bollywood tabla artist. I probably never would have met someone like that if I hadn't decided to take up the violin. Number 2, the violin boosts confidence. I know not everyone might agree, but the violin is one of the hardest instruments, and learning this instrument at an age older than typical builds confidence in yourself that you can accomplish more than you actually think. And again, this confidence isn't limited to just one area of your life. It can be applied in various parts. Number 1, mental fitness. Your brain is like a muscle. When it isn't trained, it atrophies and decays. When you learn an instrument like the violin, you improve muscle memory, coordination, and all these skills sadly decay when you get older. But by constantly retraining them, you may slow down cognitive decline that happens in adults. The violin isn't just music, it's mental weight training. And if you want to get started learning the violin, check out the top link in the description, where we can book a one-on-one meeting and discuss what your goals are and see how I can help you. Thank you and see you on the next one.